Good morning, everybody. How are you? So a nice Monday morning. Well, here it's a Monday morning. Anyway, it's kind of very windy in Australia at the moment. Well, it's actually winter, the start of. So in America, it'd be nice and getting nice and warm. Anyway, so I wanted to explain to you how I make my little silhouettes for my mixed media silhouette bird project that I have up in 3 parts. This is the second part and there's one final part, so I just thought I'd quickly show you how to draw it for those who don't know. Those who do know, they can just move on. Okay, so basically what I start off with is this shape of an upside down egg, and then a circle at the top, and then we just join the neck and then make the tail however you want the tail to be. You know, it's your bird, your design. Now the beak and the bird, you can play. I want you to play with this shape with a pencil until it's how you want your bird to look. Do you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't have to be anything like one of mine. You could make the head not a circle, you could make it an oval. You know, you just play with it for a short period of time. Now, I don't always put the beak, as you can see from this one, I don't always put the beak in. Only because therefore if I'm actually putting this on and marking it out, I can put, you know, the beak in any area to make a different, you know, different look depending on what's going on in the picture. But you are more, you know, you can put beaks in, you can put 2 beaks in, you can put 1 beak in. That is completely up to you. So when you've decided just how this is going to look, and you've given it some thought, and I'll just, you know, have a little play. Maybe it's a big-breasted bird. See, I think that one there would be better. Then we cut it out to wherever that is, that design is that you actually decided is the, you know, the one. So it's, for me, it's that outside, that one there. And I don't know about the beak, but anyway. So then we would cut them out and have numerous ones of them to play with. And in the next video, I will show you, next part of this video, I'm not too sure, this didn't really take that long. I will show you what the next step is. Thanks. Okay. So here's my very bright mixed media piece. So this week we're going to, we've done, I hope you've made your silhouettes, and this is upside down because I can see where I've made the sort of branch, the tree. So I want this to go here. I have a couple of different ones that I've made. Not sure which one I'm using. So this is me playing. Obviously you can use, let's just go simple. I think Right, now I have a cheap white paint. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get it on a damp brush, not a dry brush, but a damp brush. And I am going to kind of just outline the birds. Whoop a day. Now this one hasn't got a beak to set, yeah, and I just want to make sure that I don't cover that all over, because I want that one there to have a bit more of a beak too. So I'll just design that a little bit in my, yeah. All right, so you have the outline of the work. So this is the white, and the white I just want to bring down in certain spots stronger than other spots, you know, up the top. But there is branches too, so, you know, even though you're covering these up with white paint, you can still see the underneath, which is fabulous. I love that. Oops. I'm just going to make that beak a little bit stronger. Now I've just thought about this, and I actually think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put a round sort of sun inspired piece on mine maybe. So if I made that maybe Bear with me. I'm just going to go and get a wet one. All right, and a wet one is what I need. So with the wet one, I think I'm going to design this just in here to be a sun area.